The
How the hell am I
funnest
able
thing
to
to
do
do in Animal Company with this, he's a monkey in real life. I taught him how to speak. We find a big poo-poo butthead.
Yeah, big poo poo butthead monkey girl. She's fat. Her butt is even uglier than her face.
She's right there!
Uh-oh. No! Hey, good thing it doesn't notice me. Yo, why is he right there?
Help! What the hell? No, don't eat him! He's too young to die. Listen, we can get you a gourmet meal. Just follow us, okay?
Oh yeah, I bet it wants a gourmet meal. That fat thing's fatter than Queso. That's Queso's girlfriend.
No! No! We can talk this out. We can talk this through, right? Yeah? No! Man, you're a big poo-poo butthead. See, look, there's a gourmet meal over here. Yeah? You're so lucky. You're our chosen winner. Don't throw rocks at me. No, I can't move. No, hi there. Hi, pretty. Ah! No, listen, we can die. Ooh, belly. I'm dead.
He tastes better than
You
Queso.
Help me!
I have an idea up in my thinker thonker tonker. What if I get a grenade and blow him up?
Yes, go get a grenade. Hey, girl. Eat. Eat stick. Ah, that didn't help. I need my stick back. Eat this poo-poo butthead. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. You're a very nice, kind, young lady or fat lady. Hey, listen. Did I say fat? I meant skinny, nice, good-looking, beautiful lady. Yeah, that's right. I hit you in that big butt. Oh shoot! Run! He just slapped me. Look, you see that big present? It's full of good, yummy food. And monkeys.
Something, I'm on my way.
Oh no, please! Yeah, follow me. You see that present? Please, we can talk about this. No. Yeah, come see, look. This big, beautiful present. Oh no.
Why didn't it work?
Pax. Big stinky poo-poo butthead!
I'm willing to sacrifice my life! Wait, no, I'm not.
See? Good present, right?